Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. The start to a better life or a better world or a better future is simply to believe that it is possible. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 192, NASDAQ up 66, S&P's up 23, gold contract flat at $1,067 an ounce, silver up 5 cents at $13.93 an ounce. Now, gold and silver, folks, acted pretty good in the context that the dollar index was up about 300 ticks. Had a little volume behind the move. Silver has to get back inside that $14 area. They slammed that baby down yesterday. It's clawing its way back inside that $14 area. Platinum was up $10 at $8.88. Copper's caught a good bid. Copper's up 6 pennies, $2.13 a pound. That again is unusual in the context of where the dollar is versus copper catching a bid the last actually couple weeks. Light sweet crude up $1.06 at $37.87. Bonds, now, the 10-year down 20 ticks. The 30-year off 2.7 ticks. The 10 and the 30 got slammed. Now, that's on lighter volume. They got price destruction going. It hasn't got into the lower swing point yet. What that was all about, they had a 5-year auction out here today, and I believe that was the least amount of demand. It was 2-for-1 demand, but I believe that was the least amount in almost about 5 years. No, longer than 5 years. No, since 2009. Yeah. That was so the 5-year notes fell, pushing yields to their highest level as a $35 billion auction of securities drew the weakest demand in more than 6 years. Bottom line, that's what that's all about. Now, what's going to get intriguing here is that there's going to be another auction Wednesday. I believe they're doing, let's see what they're doing Wednesday. Yeah, there's going to be $29 billion sold Wednesday of 7-year securities. So we'll see where that shakes out. And 2-to-1 seems like a lot, folks, you know, but the Treasury market most of the time has demand of 3-to-1, meaning there's 3 times the amount of people, dollars that are chasing that $1 in bond, and 2-to-1. That's a dicey number inside the bond market. King dollar is up 270 ticks, trading at 98.23. That caught a bid. That had some volume behind it. Now, it certainly didn't have the volume as how it came down on December 4th. Okay, so it's going into that downdraft. I do expect you're going to see the dollar basically give it up, get into the lower swing point. Euro down 34 at 109, and the yen at 120.46. You get holiday trading in spades out here today inside the NYSE. You did 530 million shares versus, well, let me see if they got a little bit more coming after the close. Yeah, you get 589 million shares versus 614. NASDAQ Composite, though, has some action. NASDAQ did 1.3 billion versus 1.3. If we take a look at the SPY, what we have in the SPY is this. The SPY did 88 million shares. We're 207.40. Now, the swing point is 208.48. We did 173 million, so you're 88 to 173. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs, that did 26 million. The swing point there is 114.48. We went to 1454, and the NQs, they failed on price and volume. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.